Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Very and Grow a Garden new Very update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Grow a Garden, and if you want to upgrade your Very, first of all, you need to earn Very coins. Okay, and this is my Very coins right now. You can get the Very coins after you make a wish. Okay, after you make a wish, you will get reward and also the Very coins. And then you can go to the Very Godmother here. You can talk to the Very Godmother, and then you can click on show me the upgrades. Okay, and then here you will be able to upgrade your Very. And for example, I'm going to upgrade the Very event duration, and we can click on it, and it needs Very coins. And I'm going to upgrade my Very spawn amount as well. Okay, and okay guys, that's all the way to upgrade your Very and Grow a Garden new Very update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.